He really was a military genius. But there were other things too. They didn't like roads.
Yeah.
They just didn't like the roads. So they would often be coming from some direction that nobody ever came from. And the people would be unprepared for that. The most famous example is probably in Bukhara. This is a beautiful, wonderful old city, a great place in the world to this day. And they came across the desert. Well, nobody had ever attacked across the desert, so people see dust coming. They think, well, caravan. They don't even know what's going on. But it was the direction that was a surprise element in that particular case. So he was able to think in ways that the other people were not thinking in, and to be able to surprise them.
What do you think it, again, felt like to have this Mongol armada, the horses? The ground must shake when you have that many horses. What do you think it feels like to be in a town when Genghis Khan is approaching?
I think the terror was one of the greatest weapons that he had, that he cultivated this reputation of ferocity. Not only did he win battles, but he didn't allow people to write about him, as we said, but he encouraged refugees. And when he conquered a city, he always made sure there were plenty of refugees to go to the next city, because it's going to weaken them. It's going to weaken their food supply, and they're going to terrorize the people with tales of the millions of people that the Mongols killed with their steel chiseled teeth and eating children and all kinds of horrible tales. Genghis Khan encouraged it. This is propaganda. It's terrorism of a mental sort to weaken the enemy. And so when you hear, or even if you know they're coming, you see the dust, you hear the kind of roar that comes with all those horses and the trembling of the earth. It must have been truly terrifying.